I'm Kevin Waite. I'm an associate professor of history and the holder of the Watson Chair in American History. And I recently wrote and produced a 6-episode series for National Geographic and Disney Plus on the American Revolution. It is going to air in time, we hope, for the 250th anniversary of the American Revolution, when I think a lot of people are thinking about what that event means and where we stand today. The series is an attempt to sort of generate conversation about America's founding moment and its vastness and its complexity. And so what we try to do in the series is tell a big, diverse, complex in the best sense of the word, story of the revolution, something that teaches viewers something a little bit different, something they didn't quite expect to encounter in a series like this. It's a great place to do film and TV, although we don't have a sort of bona fide film school here. We have a lot of people with a lot of relevant expertise. So in this case, we've got 2 students who work with us as researchers on the film, 2 history students who did a lot of really important fact-checking on the final cuts of the series. They found maps and images. They fact-checked maps and images just to make sure that the finished product, the show that goes out into the world, is accurate and authentic. Hopefully it was, useful and enlightening for them. It was certainly useful for me and for the production. We're hoping that this is sort of the first step in more student opportunities in documentary filmmaking, history documentary filmmaking in particular. We have so many faculty members with really interesting projects and research expertise. We've got lots of really, really excellent, driven students. And so we're hoping that over time we pair these faculty members with these students, we generate more documentary films, and we get students into, roles that they didn't foresee themselves being in, and they probably came to major in history at UTD. I would love to slowly and sort of sustainably grow the film lab. So we have, maybe a couple productions in a few years running simultaneously with, a few different faculty members and multiple students involved in the production. The students are really hungry here. And that's the highest praise that I could give to any student, just to be relentless and to be proactive.